children, here in the 9th and 10th main, these are similar to the 5th and 6th main what we solved. That is like number, what has to be multiplied for, with that in order to make it a perfect square and we used to find out, no? Like that. Here instead, 3 numbers are given. That is the only difference. The question says, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. The numbers are 4, 9 and 10. Find the smallest square, 4, 9 and 10 are the numbers. So what you should do is, write all the 3 numbers together and find the LCM of this number. How? Again by using the method of prime factorization. So I will start with 2. 2 2s are 4 andre 9 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. 2 5s are 10 ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Further, can you do? Of course, the 3 table you can go. Instead, what we will do is, after doing that, we will write the LCM of 4, 9, 10 is equal to, we shall multiply and write like 2 into 9 into 5. Okay, na? So, what is it equal to? 4, 9, 10 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 9 5s are 4 9s are 9 5s are 45. Bigger number we'll do first. 9 5s are 45. 45 2s are 90. 90 2s are 180. Correct? 9 2s are 18. 10. So the LCM of 4, 9, 10 is 180. But look children, now when you have the numbers 2 into 2 are in pair. Next number 9 is also a perfect square. You can written as 3, and if you want you do one more step here. 3 in that 2 hange bariri. 3 3s are 9, 5 anta. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 adanna nanu ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 9 I am splitting as 3 into 3 into 5. If you look, 2 and 3 are in pairs, whereas number 5 is not in pair. So it is clear that if you multiply you will write one line. Since 5 has no pair, it has to be multiplied with 180 in order to make it a square. In order to make it a square anta. So 180 into 5 if you do, 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 900. That is equal to 900 we got. We are getting 900 children. Therefore, from question only you write. Therefore, the smallest number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10 is 900. What you will write? You will write the sentence from the question. Therefore, the smallest number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10 is 900. That is about 9th one. 10th question hangene same children. Divisible ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 8, 15 and 20 they have given. So again I will go with prime factorization method and find the LCM. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? 2 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 4s are 8, 15 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್. 2 10s are 20. ಅಗೇನ್ 2 ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 2s are 15 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. 2 5s are 10. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ಹಂಗೆ, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Done. Now we got the factors, so let us write them like 8, 50. The LCM is, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಸಾಕು. The LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. 1 into 1 and into 3 ಸಾಕು. Now if you observe children, 2 and 2 are in pair. This 2 is single, this 5 is single and this 3 also is single. What you get on multiplying these 3 you check. So that is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So as we got 5 here children, we are getting 30 here. So 2 is in pair, 5, 2, 3 are not in pair. So as we did here children, we shall multiply all the terms here. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, 43s are 120. That is equal to 120. Now, which are the numbers which cannot be paired? 5, 2 and 3 cannot be paired. Alva, 5, 2 and 3 cannot be paired. Therefore, 5 into 2 into 3 is what? 30. Alva, 5 into 3 into this is 30. Therefore, 120 has to be divided by 30. That is what we should do. So 120 divided by 30. Shall we do it this way children? 120 by 30 and it is easy. 0 0 cancel agogutte. 3 1s are 3 4s are, which is equal to 4. Therefore 4 is the least number that has to be divided. What is the question? You write the from that has to be divided by each by 8, 15 and 20. You will end the problem. So, I will tell you what we did in 9th and 10th May once again children. Please don't get confused. What we did is, 3 numbers were given and asked us to find out which is the least number that has to be multiplied by all the 3 given numbers in order to make it a perfect square. So, we by prime factorization method, we find out the LCM and we multiplied and find out that value. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ which doesn't get paired ಅಂತ that number we used to find out. In both the case we did the same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5, 2, 3 cannot be paired, whereas here only 5 cannot be paired. Whatever you are getting that is cannot be paired, that has to be multiplied here and divided here. Ashte. How? Illi 5 matra ittu, so directly we multiplied this product 180 by 5 and find out that 900 is the least number. But illi children, it was not only one number, but we find out that 5, 2, 3 numbers also cannot be paired. So we multiplied them, like 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 cannot be paired. What number is divisible andre? 30 has to be divided by this product 120. So clearly we get 4. So 4 is the least number. So this completes the exercise 5.3 children. Well, next what you have is finding the square root by division method. So this is very very important and it is helpful for you even when you go to 10th standard. So please do concentrate well. For both the whole number as well as the decimal, we have to square root of decimals. Both the concepts I will be teaching you in next session, and after that you have estimating of square root, which has been removed according to the 30% reduction of the syllabus children. So after solving example problems of finding the square root by division method and square root of decimals children, we are left with the last exercise 5.4 of this lesson. Since estimating square root is removed, we have only first and third main of this exercise. If we solve that, that will complete this lesson squares and square root, and hence your part 1 text work. We shall be studying that in the next class.